Herpes simplex virus 1, HSV1 for short, mostly shows up as painful blisters around the mouth, commonly referred to as cold sores, but it can also infect the genital region.
These are really common. I mean, over half the people in the world have one or the other or both. So they're very common infections.
Here's how common, according to the latest data from the World Health Organization. 3.7 billion people under age 50 worldwide have HSV1. An estimated 491 million people between age 15 and 49 have herpes simplex 2, the virus that causes genital herpes infections. While there are existing antiviral herpes treatments available today,
pretty effective, but don't really solve the problem.
That's because the herpes virus in particular buries itself deep into nerve cells and can go dormant.
And the viruses hang out there in a form that stays for life.
So while antivirals are at the moment treatments,
that long-lived form in the nerves is not even touched. So it can always come back and always start new episodes.
It's a long sought-after cure, not only because of its prevalence, but the stress, even stigma it causes.
For some people it is not a big deal. For other people it's an enormous deal. And that's each person's lived experience. What we want to do is offer a tool that says, if this really matters to you, we can help you make your life better. That's where we want to get.